Hello and welcome to our interior design video. Today, we'll show you how to beautifully decorate a mirror glass console table using various components. Whether you're a design enthusiast or just looking to spruce up your space, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary components ready. These include the tabletop, glass panels, legs, base, apron, frame, shelf, brackets, crossbars, hardware, corner braces, leveling feet, drawer slides, drawers, back panel, mirror supports, mirror bezel, cable management, glass clips, and finishes. Start by assembling the base of your console table. Connect the legs securely to the base using the brackets and hardware provided. Make sure everything is level and stable. Next, attach the shelf between the legs, providing extra storage and a platform for your decorative items. Secure it with the included hardware. Now, attach the apron to the sides of the tabletop and secure it in place. This will add stability and visual appeal. Don't forget to connect the crossbars between the legs for additional support. It's time to apply the finishes to your console table. You can paint or stain it to match your interior decor. This step allows you to customize your table to your liking. If your console table has built-in electronics or lamps, use the cable management components to keep cords organized and hidden. Now, let's install the drawers. Attach the drawer slides to the drawers and slide them into place. Make sure they glide smoothly. To give your console table a polished look, attach the back panel if provided. This will also add extra stability. Here comes the glamour. Mount the glass panels as mirror supports and secure them in the frame. Add the mirror bezel to give it a finished look. Lastly, don't forget the glass clips to hold the mirror panels securely in place. Adjust the leveling feet to ensure your table sits perfectly on any surface. And there you have it. Your mirror glass console table is now assembled and beautifully decorated. Feel free to personalize it with your favorite decor items, like vases, candles, or artwork. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you enjoy your stunning new piece of furniture. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more interior design tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy decorating.